Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Brianna and today we are here with a 2-ingredient Oreo mug cake. I'm really excited to try this and to see if it actually turns out. So let's get into this video. First, what you will need is 4 crushed up Oreos. You can usually crush them up in a bag with a rolling pin, or you can do it in the food processor. I'm just going to be very simple and just do it all in the cup because I've done these things before and it works out. This is what it looks like all crushed up. What I did is I broke them up by hand and then I used the end of a butter knife to crush them. So, our final ingredient is 3 tablespoons of milk, and then we're just going to stir it. 1, 2, 3. I hope this really turns out. I'm really excited to see because it's just 2 ingredients. So I'm just going to stir it up with a fork. Literally milk and cookies. And you turn this into a cake. This is what it looks like mixed all together. Now we're going to put it in the microwave for 1 minute and then we get to dig in. And this is what it looks like all done. It definitely really does look like a cake. I'm excited to try it, so let's get into the taste test. I am so excited to try it. It smells really good too. Like, it smells literally like a brownie. Oh my gosh, is it soft. Steaming hot. This is really, really good. I really recommend this recipe. I can't believe it was literally crushed up Oreos. Crushed up Oreos and milk. It's really good. I really recommend this recipe. If you have any other mug cake recipes for me to try, comment down below. Thank you and have a nice day.